Describe an invention that is useful in your daily life. An invention that is incredibly useful in my daily life is the smartphone. A smartphone is a handheld device that combines various features and functionalities, making it an indispensable tool for communication, productivity, entertainment, and much more. Firstly, a smartphone can do much more than just making calls and sending messages. It serves as a portable computer, allowing me to access the internet, check emails, browse social media, and stay updated with the latest news and information from around the world. Additionally, smartphones have various built-in apps and capabilities that enhance productivity. I can use it for tasks like setting reminders, managing calendars, taking notes, and even video conferencing for work or personal purposes. The popularity of smartphones is undeniable, and they have become an integral part of modern life for millions of people worldwide. Its versatility and convenience have contributed to its widespread adoption, and it is now one of the most common and widely used devices globally. One of the reasons why smartphones are so popular is their user-friendly nature. They are designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for individuals who may not be tech-savvy. The touchscreen interface and user-friendly app ecosystems make navigation and interaction seamless. The smartphone's usefulness lies in its ability to streamline various aspects of daily life. It acts as a personal assistant, providing quick access to information, entertainment, and communication on the go. It has replaced the need for multiple devices, such as cameras, GPS navigators, and music players, by consolidating them into a single, pocket-sized gadget. Moreover, smartphones play a crucial role in keeping us connected with family, friends, and the world at large. Social media platforms and instant messaging apps allow us to stay in touch with loved ones regardless of distance. In conclusion, the smartphone is an invention that has revolutionized daily life in countless ways. Its multifunctionality, ease of use, and popularity make it an essential tool for communication, productivity, and entertainment. From managing schedules to staying connected with the world, the smartphone has become an indispensable companion that enhances and simplifies various aspects of modern life. One. What qualities do inventors have? Inventors often possess qualities like creativity, curiosity, problem-solving skills, perseverance, and a passion for innovation. They have a keen ability to see beyond the existing norms and envision new solutions to various challenges. 2. Do you think only scientists can invent new things? No, inventors come from various backgrounds, and while scientists play a significant role in inventing new technologies, inventions can also be pioneered by engineers, artists, entrepreneurs, and individuals from diverse fields. 3. What inventions do you think should be improved? There are many inventions that could benefit from continuous improvement. For example, renewable energy technologies, medical devices, transportation systems, and communication tools are areas where ongoing advancements could lead to significant positive impacts. 4. Are there any other inventions that make the world better? Yes, numerous inventions have transformed the world and made it a better place. For instance, the Internet revolutionized global communication, medical breakthroughs have improved healthcare outcomes, and sustainable technologies are contributing to environmental preservation. 5. Do all inventions bring benefits to our world? While many inventions bring substantial benefits, some may also have negative consequences or unintended side effects. It is essential to assess the potential impacts of new inventions carefully and implement proper regulations and ethical considerations to maximize their positive effects. 6. Who should support and sponsor inventors, governments, or private companies? Both governments and private companies can play crucial roles in supporting inventors. Governments can offer research grants, funding, and supportive policies to foster innovation in the public interest. Private companies, on the other hand, often invest in research and development to create products and technologies that drive their businesses forward. A collaborative approach, where governments and private sectors work together, can create a conducive environment for inventors and innovation to thrive.